a promise. I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top.
Yo, no, I ain't the type to give up. If I do something, man, I do it till I get what I want. I turn a business out of nothing into something I love. I got a poker face, but honestly, I'm not one to bluff. I flip a switch, never miss, man, I always stay up. Don't let them see you, bitch, always have a plan to stay tough. This life ahead of you ain't easy, it was built to be rough. But that's what makes a personality, is tragedy, bruh. So keep your head on your shoulders. Now we ain't out here moving rocks, we out here moving boulders. Now we ain't getting posterized, we out here making posters. And we ain't got nothing to hide, we move forward like soldiers. You better wake up for the pay stub or you'll pay up. Don't make love to the game, bruh, fuck the game up. Change up, rearrange stuff to your greatness. Famous for the way up, play the game, bruh.
Never stop, I'll get it if I want it. Gotta make to myself a promise. I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top, yeah.
You know I'm always honest, there ain't no way I'm ever stopping.
I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top,
I'm always flirting with pain, she like to hurt me and maim. I'm always working to change, but she's still lurking the same. I keep on building a dynasty while the haters be trying me. But they hate from inside, you see, hate themselves in society. So I let them speak quietly while my actions speak wider. See, they be hiding in privacy with the screen. Oh, the irony to hate someone who's trying to be whatever they would like to be. We all feel the anxiety, we make our own rivalries. Yo, so where is all the positivity? I feel like we all just hate on everything, it's killing me. Thoughts build quick, causing different possibilities. Negative thoughts will cause different disabilities. So do better, work hard under pressure. If you got no time, work smarter than ever. Don't ever let them tell you that you can't ever say never. And turn your mind into the truest of go-getters.
Never stop, I'll get it if I want it. Gotta make to myself a promise. I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top, yeah.
Jamaican cornmeal porridge. It's the comfort in a bowl we all grew up on. But not all porridge is created equal. Today, we're looking at the real difference between what we eat now and how our ancestors stayed strong. In this first version, refined cornmeal is used. It's smooth, it's quick, and it's what most of us find in the little boxes at the shop. But here's the truth. Refined cornmeal has little to no nutritional value. Why? Because the milling process strips away the germ and the bran, the parts of the corn that actually hold the fiber, vitamins, and minerals. What you're left with is mostly starch. It's dead food that spikes your blood sugar and leaves you hungry again in no time. Now, look at the second version. This is homemade cornmeal, made from scratch by grating dried corn. This is the ultimate healthy choice because it's a whole grain. You get in the fiber, the protein, and the energy that lasts all day. But let's be real, making cornmeal from scratch is a labor of love, and it's getting expensive. Depending on the seller, you might pay $1,000 for just 6 ears of dried corn. You don't have to grate it yourself to be healthy. When you go to the supermarket, skip the refined stuff and look for coarse cornmeal. It's the middle ground that keeps the nutrients without the $1,000 price tag. Now, let's talk about the sweet spot. Both of these videos use sweetened condensed milk. Health experts will tell you to use honey or dates instead. But the truth is, how many regular Jamaicans can afford that? Honey and dates are expensive luxury items in our markets. Our grandmothers didn't use honey or dates, they used brown sugar, and many of them are still alive today, strong and healthy. So, what was their secret? It's two things. First, refined cornmeal wasn't even a thing in their time. They had to use the coarse, nutritious grain. Second, and most importantly, they moved. Back then, there were no washing machines. They scrubbed by hand. There were no blenders or food processors. They went to the bush, worked the fields, and walked everywhere. They burned off every grain of sugar they ate. Today, we live a different life. We have taxis, our own vehicles, and washing machines. Many of us are social media workers, sitting for hours creating or watching content. We consume the sugar, but we don't work it off like our ancestors did. The truth about cornmeal porridge, it's not just about what's in the bowl. It's about how much of the grain is left in the meal and how much we move our bodies after the bowl is empty. Choose Coarse and keep moving.